Nowadays, plastic are an integral part of our life or of our day-to-day life. It is estimated that around 70% of plastic packaging products are converted into plastic waste. Various studies show that consuming plastics could lead to cancer, heart disease, and other related problems. It is estimated that around 165 million tons of plastic waste will be generated throughout the world by 2030. So, plastic waste is a serious concern because plastic waste are non-degradable. Some plastic waste takes 450 years to 1000 years to decompose. So let us first describe what are the ill effects of plastic. First, plastic waste causes land pollution. Second, it causes the groundwater pollution and ocean pollution. Finally, it causes serious health issues to human health. Burning up plastic results into formation of a class of flame retardants called as halogens. Collectively, these harmful chemicals are known to cause the following severe health problems like asthma, cancer, nervous related problem, endocrine problem, heart problem, and other problem. Now let us discuss regarding the data available with us regarding the per capita plastic consumption in the year 2014-15. Per capita plastic consumption means how is it calculated? It is calculated by the total number of population of the country divided by plastic waste generated in the country. If we go through the per capita plastic consumption in 2014-15, America stood number 1, where more than 109 kg of plastic consumption are there per capita. However, India has only 11 kg plastic consumption per capita. In India, approximately 60% of plastic waste are being recycled, which is around 20% higher as compared to the other countries. Till there is problem in the plastic waste when we see outside, because due to this plastic waste that has caused serious health problems to the animals, to the cows, to the cattle, to the dogs, even to the aquatic animals. You have seen various videos in the Discovery Channel regarding how the whale has lost his life and several kgs of plastic waste was found from the whale's body. So, what are the process? How to control the use of plastic waste? That is the management of plastic waste. First is reduce the use of plastic waste. How you can reduce the use of plastic waste? Suppose we are going for shopping or we are going for buying some goods outside. Just carry a paper bag or a cloth bag so that we could avoid the use of plastic waste. Similarly, reuse of plastic waste. After using of a plastic, don't directly throw it in the dustbin when you think that plastic waste can be reused. The third step is recycle. First of all, when you are buying any goods with plastic packaging, first see the recycling symbol. If there is no recycling symbol, do not buy such goods. Then finally is recovery and landfill. Nowadays plastic wastes are being used in various sense, like they are used as a fuel in the cement industries, they are used as a landfill in making road making, etc. But as I have earlier told, that plastic waste, the life cycle of plastic waste, it takes more than 450 years to even 1000 years to decompose. So in order to protect our environment, we should avoid use of plastic waste. Now I am going to cite example of one state in India which has achieved the target of to ban plastic bottles and disposable foam products. Yes, Sikkim is the first state to ban plastic bottles and disposable foam products. It is not impossible to achieve some target. Yes, it will take time, but if we have the real intention to do it, then we can achieve it in due time. Now, do's and don'ts in plastic waste. Do's: never use a plastic bag or sheet whose size is less than 50 micron. Always dispose plastic waste in the designated bins. Third, minimize the use of plastic bags. Carry jute cloth bags while going for purchasing vegetables and grocery. Especially while taking away food, never use a plastic product for carrying of food items, especially hot items. And consume food preferably in metal, ceramic plates, glass or cups. Thank you. Let us join our hand to make a plastic free world. Thank you.